Hey guys, it's Negative Spy Dude, and I am going to be doing a reaction video called "Did You Say Chocolate?" And then the next one is called Bonnie and Freddy. Bonnie and Freddy think they are birds. So, hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and mostly subscribe. And yes, there will be short videos. And first of all, there will be some short videos along the way because they are going to be short. And don't worry about it. They're always going to be shorter videos. So anyway, this is your true YouTuber guy, which is Negative Spy Dude. And hope you all enjoy. Let's get in with the video. And mostly in 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's do it.
Good afternoon, sir. Could we interest you in some chocolate? Chocolate? Did you say chocolate?
Yes, sir. With or without nuts. Chocolate? Chocolate! Chocolate!
Man, they're gonna keep on running. This is so funny. Really, guys, it's so funny. Man, chocolate, chocolate, and then they're gonna run off. That's just so funny. Oh, yeah, that one's funny. Okay, the next one is. Oh, shoot. Hold on, guys. Blah, blah, blah. Don't even think about it. Okay, the next one is Bonnie and Freddy think they are birds. So let's get on with the video in 3, 2, 1, and also go. And subscribe that YouTuber. This one's funny. Yeah, like that. They're flying like that. Who even does that? Really? Who even flies like that? Ew! Oh my god. Wow. Oh boy. Okay, so anywho, guys, this is Negative Spy Dude, and I'll be seeing all of you guys on the next video. Peace and see you later. Bye bye, everyone.